Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Rockton Drive, Mandeville, Manchester. Here you will find this gorgeous 6-bedroom, 7-bathroom house for sale. It exudes elegance with its classic architecture and a porte cochère that adds a touch of sophistication. The porte cochère also provides a stylish arrival experience, making a statement about the luxurious lifestyle this residence offers. The entrance is framed by graceful columns, leading to a spacious foyer, which welcomes you with a sweeping mahogany staircase, a spacious living area, a gourmet type kitchen, and further to 3 sizable bedrooms, including the primary room, all with en suites. This well-kept house is just about 6,500 square feet and sits on a sizable piece of land, spreading over approximately one-third of an acre. If you need an income earner, this property also affords you that option. More can be said about this gorgeous property, but it's best to come see for yourself. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 63 million or US $409.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.